What this elephant does is amazing. You can see a man sitting on the ground in front of an elephant as it watches him tap on his drum. The man is showing the elephant how to play music. You can see how curious the elephant is by the sound the drum is making. What makes this amazing is when the elephant moves his trunk towards the drum and pulls it towards him before beginning to play just as the man had shown him. He begins to tap the drum with his trunk and play his own music as the man watches in amazement. The man joins in once more as the elephant raises his trunk and seemingly nods it in approval. It's no secret that elephants, among many other animals, are highly intelligent and emotional creatures. That's why they're my favorite. Leave a like if you think this elephant should join a rock band.